In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Webflow to optimize your CSS width settings, focusing on width, max width, and min width. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to effectively control these parameters for your web design projects. First things first, you'll need to head over to Webflow. If you haven't bookmarked it already, just open your browser and type in webflow.com to access their visual website builder. This is where all the magic happens in creating custom websites. Once you're on the Webflow site, your next step is to log in. Look for the Login option, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you haven't signed up before, you should quickly create an account because you'll need to access your dashboard to proceed. With logging in successfully, you will find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. Think of this as your mission control center. It's where you manage all your projects. From here, click on the specific project you want to work on today. It will bring you right to your project's overview page. After selecting your project, it's time to get to the fun part: choosing an element to style. Click on any element within your project that you'd like to modify. It could be a section, div block, or any other component. This action will lead you to the settings of that particular element. Next, shift your focus to the Style tab. This is where you'll be doing most of the adjustments. Clicking on the Style option lets you access all the property settings for your selected element. You'll want to navigate to the Size tab within the Style panel. Now that you're in the Size section, you're in the right spot to adjust the width, max width, and min width settings. Here is where control meets creativity. You can define exact dimensions for more precise control over your design, or rely on percentages for a more responsive, fluid design. Common practices involve setting the width to ensure your element appears consistently across different screens. Then, use max width to prevent your element from getting too wide, while min width ensures your element won't become too narrow, maintaining the integrity of your layout. Understanding these settings allows for more dynamic web designs that are both user-friendly and visually appealing. Adjust and experiment with these values until you achieve the desired look and feel. It takes a bit of time and practice, but these small tweaks can make a significant difference in how your website functions and looks across different devices. That brings us to the end of our session today. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to manipulate width, max width, and min width settings in Webflow. Thank you for following along, and happy designing!